How to find dentistry instruments and equipment. Uses and maintenance. 1. Start by identifying your exact dental procedures: restorative, endodontic, orthodontic, periodontal, or surgical. Knowing your category will help you choose the right instruments. 2. Search for reputed dental equipment suppliers and manufacturers online who specialize in medical-grade stainless steel. 3. Check ISO, CE, and FDA certifications for premium quality and corrosion-resistant materials. 4. Compare product reviews, warranty terms, and after-sales support before placing orders. 5. Common instruments include explorers, scalers, forceps, elevators, mirrors, burrs, suction tips, and handpieces, each designed to improve precision and patient comfort. 6. For maintenance, always sterilize instruments after every procedure using autoclave, dry heat, or chemical sterilization systems. 7. Use instrument trays, pouches, and ultrasonic cleaners to avoid cross-contamination. 8. Apply proper lubrication for handpieces and avoid leaving instruments soaked in harsh chemicals for too long. 9. Regular inspection and sharpening improve the lifespan, accuracy, and performance of dental tools.